Hi Best Buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden, and I'm so happy that you've joined me today. Today is hashtag cathysowinghappiness, in which we'll have our drawing at the end of the video. But first, let's have our shout out to Lulu, Mags, Carol, Lenny, Esty Marie Arts, Cheryl, Marlene, Sherry, Elizabeth, and a special thank you to Joyce for the surprise I received today. I'm going to set this aside. We'll have the drawing at the end of the video. We're going to make a tag. We're going to make a vintage quilt fabric tag collage is what I'm calling it. Now, I recently purchased a whole bag of these vintage quilt pieces. 90% of them, maybe 99%, have all been hand stitched. And I guess, now I'm not one to know how to do a quilt, but I guess you put it on the back of paper. And this, the lady who made these, I don't know who it was, but she used a catalog. And these are truly vintage. Look, guys, this tent is $13.95. This swing set right here is $38.90, I don't know, 98 cents probably. This little baby doll that it says drinking and wedding baby, $2.98. This little baby has all these clothes and a chest and everything, and it's $6.89. It's truly vintage, and I really just can't get my head wrapped around those prices. And they're all different. Of course, they're all different. They're all unique. Now, some of the papers, I wanted to show you this one, are starting to come undone, but they're all, they're all intact. The material is perfect condition. You just need to maybe press them just a little bit. Look, this sweater right here is $1.84. What? Okay, so they're over in my Etsy shop. You get 3 of these in a bundle, and I have placed the bundles into these wax bags that I have. So they're inside here, 3 of them. And then I just wrap them up like this, and so you'll be getting a package like this. And it's just, I just make all these bundles, and then when you order one, I'll just pick a bundle out. There's no choosing which one, because they're all so uniquely different, and they're all absolutely gorgeous. Now, I have made a couple of different things with these. We're going to make a tag today together, and then I'll show you another tag I made, and then I made a little journal from these. Absolutely precious. I'm going to set this aside, and let's go ahead and let's begin. Now, what I did first was I cut them apart. So I cut all the pieces apart. Now, the one that I decorated goes right here. But how I did that was now, you know me, I like to sew. So I just sewed it on to a piece of coffee dyed paper. Now, you can glue it on this paper just as easy as I sewed it on. Look, I even left the stitching. I don't know, I guess that's how you keep them in place. They all have this little stitch with the knot. This one doesn't. Yes, this one does too. It has not. This was the center. This was a center that all of these came off of. I don't know the name of this this style, this design. I have no idea what it's called. But let's go ahead and let's start creating. Now, I would like to choose this one, and let's just build this together. So what I want to do is I want to bring in some pieces here, and let's get these. Now, I've got a beautiful orange from a piece of material, and let's see here. I think it goes beautiful with the little pieces of orange that we have here. And I've got this. It was from a shirt. I cut it off a shirt. Thinking maybe this might be kind of nice right along here. Let's see. Let's start doing some gluing. I'm going to bring my fabric tack in, and let's just start gluing some things down. I think I want to go ahead and, let's see, what do we want to put on here first? I'm thinking maybe this. I love this little piece on here. So you can get your scraps and you can decorate your vintage tag with scraps. So we're kind of like collaging on material is how I see it. And so I'm just going to get this on here right like that. Oh, I think that's so pretty. And let's go ahead and do the next one right here. Let's see here, what else do we have? We have this, maybe something like that, maybe down here like that. Okay, let's see here. Let's get this down here on this piece, maybe right there. Just, there's no right or wrong, you just kind of get your pieces together and see what you can come up with. Let's see here, kind of like that. I need to get a little bit more glue on here. Okay. Oh, I do have, over in my shop, I do have some more Christmas ephemera. Now, they're smaller bundles than the last batch that I had. So, in case you're interested in that, I do have a few more of those. Now, let's see. I think I'm going to use that as a little tab. So, I love this little print right here. I keep trying to pick those off, but that's where she sewed that hand stitch right there. So, I'm going to leave it. And let's see. Let's just flip it back on itself. Maybe something like this, and make it have a little tab at the top. Okay. All right. Whoops, that's stuck to me. Let's see, where do we want to put this one? I think I want to put this one right across there. So let's get this down here like this. Whoa, whoa, that just completely came off. Okay. It's all right. We can get it back on. There we go. And let's lay this down. I like this end a little. No, I think I do want it this end. I just want a lot of those ruffles on there. Okay. Pushing that down as hard as I can. Trying to get it to stay. I'm going to trim this off here. Oh, it's coming to life, you guys. It really is. Now let's see. I think I want maybe a couple of those. I think I'm going to take them off. Like that. This also came off of a shirt. I get a lot of my lace and things off of shirts that I purchased at the local thrift store. Oh my. It's just so sticky. Oh dear. Come on now, let go. There we go. Do I want a little bit right here? Yeah, I think so. I want another one over here. Kind of like how that looks. There's a dark thread on here. I need to pick it off and just put that right there like that. Oh yeah. What do you think, guys? It's looking really cute, right? You could also make those little houses with those. You know, we made those houses together. Wouldn't that be cute as a house? Oh, it would be adorable as a house. I'm going to pull this down just a little bit because I do want to see that little tab on the top. Maybe even a little further. A little bit more glue on there. And then, of course, we need some kind of little jewels. How about I'm going to switch out of this fabric tag because it's so very sticky. And let's jump over to the Tombow glue and add a little dab on these diamonds, I think that would be a nice place to put some of these flat back pearls right here, these faux pearls. I think that would just really help it pop. So I'm just adding my glue onto my pin, and it helps me pick these up, and then I can place them. Well, those two are stuck together. I don't know why. Well, we can separate them. Let's go on to something else because they're kind of got some issues going on there. All right, they're stuck to my fingers now. And one more. I'm still arguing with this one. There, finally released. Oh my goodness. Isn't that sweet? You know, I'm even looking here and thinking maybe at the base of these beautiful, they're almost apricot-y color. They're orange, but they're touching the apricot side a little bit. I think that would help make those just pop. And so let's get that right on there. One more. So we just took our scraps and we just collaged onto a piece of that vintage quilt. Oh my goodness, isn't that adorable? I love it. Now let me show you another one that I have made, and it looks like this. Somehow it reminds me of a circus tent. I don't know, I guess it's the stripes, the green stripes, but I just love these tags. I absolutely love them. And then I told you that I made a little journal with the fabric. I added a little bit of lace on top, and I just made a little journal. So there are lots and lots of different things that you can do with those little vintage pieces of fabric. Now let's go ahead and let's have our drawing. So what is this drawing about? This drawing is about helping me spread happiness, simple acts of kindness, letting someone in line at the grocery store. You have 30 items, they have 2. Letting someone in line during traffic. This doesn't have to cost a lot, but we have no idea what other people are going through, and sometimes just a simple act of kindness can lift their spirits, truly lift their spirits, and just help them keep going. So what do you win? You win Happy Mail from me to you as my way of paying it forward. And how do you get inside of this? That wasn't very good. That jumped out, so I'm going to do that all over again. You get inside the fishbowl by telling me your simple act of kindness in the comment section of the most recent hashtag cathysowinghappiness video, because every Sunday we have a winner for Happy Mail. And this week our winner is Candid Mom, C-A-N-D-M-M-O-M, Candid Mom. You are the winner of Happy Mail, Cathy Sewing Happiness this week. You guys, if you have enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. I invite you to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. I'll see you there, guys. Bye now.